Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Buzz Mere Sath. I am Imran and in today's video I am going to share with you one of the famous, genuine and trustable website plus Android application which gives you a very handsome and very good part-time income. So how you can earn this income in your spare time with your mobile, just I'll let you know in this video only. So be in this video, I'll tell you everything. Hey friends, as I shared with you, see, in today's life, the world is going to the digital mode, right? So in the same way, what happened in the past, the people used to come at our doorsteps and they just do some surveys, like they ask questions and they fill up the form, they take the sign and they just leave the door. So the same kind of work now it is on digital. As I shared with you, the source of income in your part-time with the Android application, that application or their website name is Toluna Influencer. This is the trustable and genuine website by which you can earn up to 500 rupees in a day by doing simple task works. There would no any typing, there would no any subscription or game playing, nothing like that. Just need to fill up or have to just tick mark on the received survey. Once you will finish, you will get some reward points, and basis on that reward points you can transfer, you can redeem those reward points and can get it into your bank account. So it's a proven. I have myself had done the same task and have proved in this video itself. I'll show you the screen of my laptop when and how I have just withdrawn this money into my bank account. Everything I will show you in this video. So basically this video not be long that much, just in 6 to 7 minutes I'll tell you everything. So see, in these today's digitalizations, there are many work and tasks in the market. They take some money, registration fees would be there. If you done the work, if you submit, the rejection chances would be there. If the rejection chances are not there, then there might be delay of the payment, the person, the client is not trustable, many problems are there. But this is the very genuine work. On daily basis you will get some to 5 to 7 emails. Just open those emails and start the service would be there about 20 minutes. What they will ask in that service, they will ask about some product, like see Amazon, they can be asked about the how frequently you using Amazon application, how frequently you gives the order or you purchase or you shop from this Amazon. Like the simple type of service would be there, but not only from Amazon, there would be a different kind of companies. You just finish those surveys and get it done. In the starting there would be a profiling. You have to set your profile, have to make your profile completely. Once you will finish those profile itself, you will get 300 to 400 rupees, because by filling that profile, to making the profile, they are giving you the reward points. So this is very genuine work I have done. I have earned the money. I wish you and I ask and recommend to you, just use this application once. If you really get the benefit, you get the money, you recommend the other people, and it's a very genuine, believe me. So be in this video till end. I will share you, and I'm just now taking you up on my laptop screen and will tell you and will share you this screen as well. So thank you very much. So as I told you, instead of my laptop screen, this is the simple, because many people are using mobile only. So I just recommend this mobile only. How to start the work from mobile? So first of all, you need to download the application name, play in Play Store. You just click on and just write Toluna Influencer, Toluna survey app or Toluna Influencer. This is the web Android application. Once this is downloaded, I'll share it with you. I'll just show you how it works. So just be on this. So see here, this is the main interface of this application. If you are first time using this, you need to sign in up first time. So this is now here, join us and login us. You need to join us. Just join us. They will ask you some frequent questions like how welcome to Toluna's, let's get to. You just select your country, you are from India, so select India, then continue, then what your first name. So basically these kind of questions would be there, so I'm skipping, or just just be on this line, I'll tell you. See, uh, you can see this screen almost done. Just fill the details below and become a member. So here I need to write the my email ID on which I want these mails. So see friends, after making the ID, after creating the ID, you can just log in with this Android application. Then directly you will be on the main screen. See, you can see here my survey center in the point 500 point balance the company has given to you. Now what you need to do, you have to wait for some time till the time you get the quick survey. Survey count would be there, 1 survey, 2 survey. So as of now there is no any survey, but once you will finish your profiling, see, you can see here 1800 points you can collect through by doing the profile survey only. So just click on this profile. What it is written on first, on 100 points. Once I'll just tick on the 100 points, there would be a questions related to me, like what I am doing, what is my age, and when I finish my study. Like the questions would be there. Save, just finish it. See, congratulations, you have just completed this survey. So this is not the actual survey, this is your profiling, and they are also giving you the rewards for your making your profile too. After, once you will finish this complete you will get some surveys, actual surveys from the company. So I'll show you the company surveys as well in the same video. Just be on this. Here this is my laptop screen. You can see the examples of the surveys, how it would be. So this is simple survey, and this is the second one screen. You can see the first withdrawal, which was for 500 rupees, right? So this is also for your reference. Here it is. And this is the last screen of my laptop, where you can see the sources of the payment withdrawal. First is PayPal, you can get the voucher, you can get the Google Play, Pizzas voucher, Big Bazaar voucher, and many more options are there to withdraw the amount. So hey friends, I hope you understood everything and how to works and how to start it. So don't wait, start it this work from today itself. I have given the link in my subscription, and the referral code is also there. By clicking on the referral code, it will get you to the main website, and just start this work today itself. And if you earn any sum of amount, please I request you to come again on this video and just put your valuable comment here, that how much you have earned and how the work is going. So thank you very much to being on this video. I'll come up with the more videos like this, and very knowledgeable and the educational videos very soon. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.